In this lecture, I will give you a guidance how to set up Apache Kafka and Zookeeper cluster. In order to simplify our course, I built the cluster by single instance. Okay, as you can see. Before install and set up the Zookeeper and the Kafka cluster, let me show you my development environment. Okay, first, okay, use the SB release A. You can get my OS version. This is the Ubuntu, right? And the Java JDK version. Okay, as you can see. But of course, you can feel free to install the JDK 8. And I will download the latest Kafka version 3.4.0. Okay, this is the latest one, right? You can see it here. You can download the binary from both link. Okay, I'm already downloaded it, right? You can see the software downloaded Kafka. Now I need to install the Kafka to my developer environment. OPT is a dictionary directory, right? I need to create the software link. This one, Kafka. Okay. Also, I need to change the permission owner and the groups. So far, actually, is a root, right? I need to change it to Ubuntu. The owner is changed, group and the user is changed, both changed. Now, we need to do some configurations. Tap into Kafka. First, I need to set up and update the Zookeeper properties file. Need to change the date direction at here. Leap. That's enough. The second, I need to set up the server properties. That is the Kafka cluster and a broker. I will give the name, broker ID, and number 88. Okay. And change the log directories. Kafka at here. Also, I need to configure the listener. The listener at here uncomment this line. As you can see, specified the IP address. That is my server IP address. All right. And last, we need to specify the Zookeeper connection URL. That's enough. We completed the configuration setup. Now we need to start the Zookeeper cluster first. Okay, use this command. Zookeeper start, server start, and by demo, we specify the Zookeeper properties. And then we can start the Kafka server here. Okay, wait one moment. Let's check the log to make sure our Kafka server is started. It seems fine. It's started, right? Okay. Now I can create the Kafka topic named test. I use Kafka topics command and specify the bootstrap server and specified parameters create topic and the partition and the replication factor. All right, great. This output represents we created topic character. Now I can in further to double check. Use the list command. Okay, the topic exists. Now let me produce some record and then consume the record from the test topic. Let me consume the record from another PuTTY client. Okay, this one will be consumed. And then produce the record at here. Hello, this is the connective testing. And I am the message produced and console command, right? Is enough. Let's check. The consumer patch consumed the record we just produced, right? So far, we completed set up the Zookeeper cluster and Kafka cluster, even that is only singleton instance. But it's enough for our course demonstration.